Okay. I'm Con. This is Connor, as you know. Wait, I think you know, probably. And this is my friend Brad. Sup. He likes to say sup. Okay.
Just like you do.
We just finished our Lego stinking boat.
This is part 1.
This is part 1.
Boiler room. So
Yeah,
boiler room.
we're not going to tell you what part 2 is. Cause that's
Part 2 is a secret. It's cool though because part 2 is going to be awesome.
yeah.
So this is our boiler room. Connor, show the boiler room. So this is it. So basically, this guy got shot by a guy with his revolver. And these guys all around are all swimming. Santa Claus is on a boat. We decided that make it funny. And then Black Ops guy. A kid is on the luggage, which carried an assault rifle right there.
Okay.
There's an assault rifle.
Okay, there he is. There's Santa. I'm trying to get a good view. There's Santa Claus. There's the Black Ops
And then
dude.
assault rifle.
There's the rifle. And then there's the dead
Shot
person.
guy. Yeah. And then there's people.
And
And
then
there's
there's-
boilers over there.
Yeah, and then there's like this baby who's standing up. I don't know if I can get.
And then there's
Okay,
2 columns that used to be like down, but
I'm gonna
now
see-
they're flooded.
I'm gonna see if I can get a full view of the baby. It's not working. Okay. As you know, it's just a microfig.
Yeah.
It's just like a hero microfig.
So, well, that's it. That's our boiler room.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. We tried to make a video of this and it was too long since we were actually building it. So I'm not gonna show you what I did when are not making. It took us too long. Might show in another video.
Okay.
Bye.
Bye, peeps.
Bye. Peeps, like the candy way. And subscribe and leave comments.